And they're going to race their boats if they're waterproof. Without one who's got a chair. Oh, there's the pirate boat, of course. And we've got the Dolly Parton boat. Dolly Parton boat, and then what's the last one? What's that? Lumpy Sea Princess.
Fancy one, Mom. That'd be lightest person.
I know. So one person per boat. There's going to be one in the front.
I will count down. This is also the finish. How's the whole water, guys? I'm gonna have to. All right, we're waiting on one boat. Somebody in the fencing boat. You need to get in. You need to get in. I'm gonna start without you. Get in the boat.
They're already taking off. I hear those guys have had a head start.
Oh, the huge paddle. You see that one? Push that one.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Go! Oh, look at they have a power! Oh my gosh, everybody's going around. I'm going to do it too.
Every year, dude. Every year.
I don't know, is that fair?
Oh, we got tomatoes.
This is so funny.
One at the end. I think they're going to the end.
It's like giving up. Whoa. You guys are almost tipping over. The green one? Oh yeah, it's coming back.
I think they're going to win.
One was for yeah.
They're all on this side. They kind of got turned around. Like stuck or something over there. I'm not sure what's going on.
But I guess we're gonna win since all the money.
They've got a big lead.
Yeah, they're not playing pretty well.
You can make a square look like a circle.
Oh, maybe I did him too. I can't remember.
Who's going to be in second?
Oh, yeah, I bet on him if he's a part of that.
What's that?
Yeah, I put it, yeah, because I gave it to that guy in that outfit right there.
The one that's got the propeller, I thought for sure they
I
were
like
going
the
to
outfit.
And maybe that one's coming up. Maybe they wanted to race them. That's what they wanted to do. They wanted to come in and do a photo race.
Oh, maybe
They
they
wanted
were
to,
yeah. They're playing around.
Okay.
Come on, Dolly. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Yeah. They want to make
It was
it
a
good
competition. Come on.
Yeah.
My Dolly came in second.
That's Dolly Park.
And the pirate ship is in the end.
Yay, Dolly.
Oh, they let Dolly come
They
in.
let Dolly come in second. There's fourth. And they're going to be Kathmandu is going to be fifth. And then Pirate is last.